Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is Coach Turner, Coach Brian Turner with Brian Turner Basketball. So in this video, we were kind of talking about the importance of getting shots up, getting lots of reps up. And one way you can do that is to take advantage. A lot of places, a lot of schools, a lot of gyms have access to what we call the shooting gun. And the shooting gun, this is called the shooting gun 5000, different variations of the shooting gun. But more importantly than anything, is just something that's going to rebound your shot and is going to pass it back out to you. As you can see right now, we have a 13-year-old getting shots up along with an 18-year-old getting shots up. And ideally, it's just about developing muscle memory in your shot. So whether if you're doing this in the morning, in the middle of a day, after school, late at night, you should try to set yourself a goal into how many shots are you trying to get accomplished a day. Ideally, people can probably get up from as many as 300 shots in 30 minutes to about 500 shots in maybe an hour. These two guys, I think the 13-year-old is working more towards getting 300 shots up daily, and then the senior is trying to work on getting 1,000 shots up daily. We usually break out the shooting gun at the end of workouts, and it's a workout within itself. You don't have to do a whole lot of conditioning when it comes to the shooting gun, and you really want to just get that wrist and that arm and that motion just activated to when you get to a point where all you have to do is just throw the ball up in the air, follow through, and pop your wrist, and you just simulate getting shots up, game-like shots up. And so it's different variations that you can do when you're adding to this. We're doing shots from the wing. These are ideally the most common shots that guys get in the game out of some type of offense. But again, you just want to just develop your body as a machine, and just the being real fluent with getting the ball up, following through, popping your wrist. Not a whole lot to that. It's not a whole lot of, it's not rocket science, but at the end of the day, it's just all about reps. The more you do it, the more you get comfortable at doing it, the better you will be. So guys out there, take advantage of your school or your gym or your Y has a shooting gun. Learn how to set it up, learn how to just be locked into the gym by yourself, just getting shots up. And these two guys have been in doing skill work, and then they're getting shots up at the end. And just try doing that daily. You'll see your game improving, man, tremendously. So thanks again for checking out this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment on anything basketball related that you would like for me to dissect or work on or give you information on. And I hope to see you in the gym near you.